For new machines, we recommend starting at ground level 8 and making minor adjustments as needed. Then add an appropriate amount of coffee beans. Remember to close the lid. Press the double shot or American coffee icon. Then wait for the machine to finish brewing. Your regular coffee will be ready. First, pour milk into the milk reservoir. Unwind the milk tube wrapped on top. Insert one end into the port on the side of the brewing head, and the other end into the port on the milk reservoir. Then press the foam icon to dispense foam. After a short wait, your milk foam will be ready. If you want to make other coffee styles, then press the corresponding icon. Waiting for the machine to finish, your latte or cappuccino will be ready. We hope you enjoy your perfect cup of coffee.